If you've been looking to take your entire RV family to go see America the safest way possible, we got you covered with this segment. Kicking it off right with a 35-foot, 1-inch, 7,100-pound dry weight, 10 sleeping gorgeous RV known as the Forest River Solaire 317 BHSK. Since 1968, Palomino has been making these Solaires, and they started off by a guy who made tents for a living, but decided he wanted to give people an upgraded camping experience, hence the birth of the Palomino. And these Solaires are packed full of features and beauty that's going to be hard to find in other campers. What's great about this one, starts at $38,995 or as low as $9.34 a day for you to sleep yourself and 9 friends, family members. Because sure, this segment is all about taking your whole RV family camping. Whether you need bunk rooms, double bunks, quads over quads, singles over singles, this is all about giving you the room and space to just reconnect with those loved ones, those friends, those family members in your RV without having to worry about buying hotels, going on plane rides, sitting next to somebody you don't know, or going into a room that's not yours. Because this RV will be yours. With over 80,000 factory fresh RVs coming too, we'll have something that you absolutely will like for your pocket and for your lifestyle. Let's start right back here in the bunk room of this 317 BHSK. Over here, we got ourselves a 34-inch top bunk that's over top of the entertainment center. And solid wood construction. You're going to see the attention to detail. I wish you could see this. And actually you can if you come into any Camping World of Gander. We got over 160 locations. So just come in and feel this. Beveled wood, very decorative, brushed nickel fixtures, hideaway hinges, signs of quality construction, which you're going to get with the Solaires. Plenty of storage space, solid wood, entertainment center right here with your cable and your power. And you'll notice how the heat is ducted inside the cabinetry. They do that so that it's not under the floor. If you do have ducts in the floor, sometimes you get those soft spots, which are a pain in the butt to fix and extremely expensive. So Forest River put it in the cabinetry so that you don't have to worry about it. And with a 15,000 BTU AC, which we're going to see in the living area, and a 30,000 BTU furnace, you'll do a good job of keeping the temperature where you want it. Now, over here on the off-camp side, we have a 38 by 72 bunks, or excuse me, 38 by 72 is this one over here. These are 34-inch bunks. So a little bit smaller, but still can easily sleep an adult or the kids if you need to. Just pull this out, take it down, and boom, there you go. You got those teddy bear bunk style mattresses, the plush 3-inch thick. They're comfortable. You get some of those venture forward inflatable pads like we have in the camping section at Camping World in Gander. This is going to be a good night's sleep for the kids or for the adults. But the cool part about this one, check out my bed underneath, man. How cool is that? Yeah, so this also is strut supported underneath. It's got the ottomans. You got another mattress under here, and there's your ladder for the bunk over here. So not only do you have storage, you got pretty much a full-size bunk or double bunk that you can stack up. You got the pillows to make the arrangement however you want to do it. Just giving you some options. You'll see bunks that'll have like the fold-out lounges and stuff like that. I like this one because you got the pillows. So if you're like me and you sleep, wrapped up like that, you got that option to do it. And all starting at $38,995 or as low as $9.34 a day. You really can't beat that. Solid door coming into the living area. And right here is our bathroom. Now with a lot of the bunk models, you'll notice that they'll have double access points, which is a great feature because it allows the family, the kids to come and go as they please without waking up or disturbing anybody who might be in the master bedroom. This one has a high-rise porcelain bowl with the foot flush, nice upgraded feature. I'm not cramped any way I sit in this one. A large single basin sink, some storage underneath. I got the medicine cabinet right here, and my single surround shower with the skylight, the corner notches. And since we got barrel ceilings with really good height clearance, I'm not going to be cramped in here, but the skylight does give me some additional headroom. So if I do want to wash what hair I have left, I have the option to do that here. You want to bring the kids or the dogs in, clean them off before you track anything into the rest of the camper, you can do that here in the shower and little mini tub surround down there. Just got to be careful because the water will splash over. But I like how we have our own access point to get in and out right there. As we make our way across this beautiful, easy to clean, slip resistant flooring, the easy sweep. I like these because it's a laminated. It's bow floor. It's laminated, and it's, you know, weather resistant. It's tough. It's durable. Just easy to clean. Check out my storage options that I have right here in the pantry / wardrobe. Now, there's a bar there, and you can take these shelves out. So if you want to make this a wardrobe, you absolutely can, because when you're talking about sleeping 10 people, you need some options to give you variants of, do I need to bring hunting gear, fishing gear, or food? You know, you can do all of it. We also have ourselves a beautiful U-shaped dinette, which is comfortable. They brightened up the interiors, but they left the furniture dark because it shows less wear and tear and less stains. But this is your reconnection spot. Take a look at my beautiful residential style sconces, the wood balances with the curtain sides, decorative, appealing, and residential. You're not leaving any creature comforts of home when you go out camping. That's what's great about these Solaires. And this one, 317 BHSK, starts at $38,995 or as low as $9.34 a day. This is a 44 by 84 U-shaped dinette. Plenty of room to sleep one person. You could probably get two, just be a little bit tight. But I mean, for 35 feet, 1 inch long total, 7,100 pounds dry, sleeping 10, you about less than $1 a day per head of people you could sleep in here. Where can you get a hotel room for that? I don't know, but I don't know if I'd want to stay there if I did find one. Got storage underneath there too. 11 cubic foot GE 12 volt fridge. Love this, the vibration smarts, because it's also frost resistant on the front. Sometimes, you know, the freezer will start freezing, you'll get that frost on the outside. You won't have that with these 12 volts. Plus you got the additional space. You got the solid surface countertop over here. This is beautiful, nice prep space. People I've seen use these as cutting boards because it is that solid, hard surface. I don't advise that because, you know, then you get all the cutting marks. But you do get a cutting board that comes with this because you have an undermounted farmhouse style sink. Got my drying racks up here now so you can see those. Just a nice little feature. Sprayer nozzle here, high-rise faucet, large window on the campsite, flush-mounted 3-burner cooktop. Plus, I got my oven down here and bake me some potatoes, some shrinky-dinks, some ribs, whatever you want to make. You got the options right there. This one also has a pretty cool sleeper sofa. It's a 68-incher. Check this out. It's just a slide out. Now, obviously, I got to leave some pass-through room for Fritz, but you pull this out. This is plush, leatherette, thick and comfortable. That's going to be a good night's sleep for whoever wants to sleep on it. Then when you're ready for it to go back, you just lift the handle up and push it back. But a good, nice little addition, and look how thick these cushions are. This is probably where my wife and I would end up sleeping. Once again, large windows, high clearances, beautiful molded wood inside of the slides. I got the large TV right here in the entertainment center, component shelf, and a fireplace with multi-flame setting, LED light underneath. So if you wanted to knock the chill off the air, that's 5,200 BTUs of heat that you can get right there. And speaking of, this one has a 15,000 BTU AC, the upgraded new Furion ACs with the quick cool right there. These are nice because the filter is in there behind it. Easy to clean, easy to get to, nice upgraded feature. But with the Ultimate RV Show National Tour, we won't get a chance to get to everything we want to show you. So we have people standing by who will walk through and give you the information, answer your questions, and find the one that's right for you. You might not need something that sleeps 10 people. We got 80,000 factory fresh RVs coming. So we got something that'll fit you and your budget. You just got to find it. And to get it, you just text FRESH to 46642 or drop me a comment down below FRESH. Before we go outside though, I have to show you this. Sure, the king size bed, the ward storage, boom. But my end cap. You got the privacy window right there, one way, USB and 110 power port. But imagine waking up with your loved one, watching the sun come up, watching the sun go down, just reconnecting with the loved ones and having that moment that we didn't get a chance to have in 2020. That to me is what RV is all about. Sure, we're selling a physical item that you can take with you and take anywhere because it's your RV. But what we're really doing is we're making dreams come true. And ask the people that you talk to at Camping World and Gander RV and Outdoors, or come in and see us. We got over 160 locations. Ask them about the independent suspension axles that we have on this that make a smoother ride behind those aluminum rims with no rusting, nitro-filled tires. The independent suspension, which will keep that rocking from back and forth, giving you a much smoother ride. Ask them about that. Say, what's the difference between fiberglass and aluminum? Tell me about Asdale. Tell me about foam core. Tell me about R values. What does that mean? Let them walk you through that journey to find the RV that's going to be right for you. And if you are looking for induction heat on your outside kitchen, and you say, you know what, since we're out here in the land where the beef is some of the best in the world, I think I'm gonna cook my own steak out here. You got an induction Greystone on your outside kitchen, metal tops, you can do your prep work. You got your large fridge right here, which I was hoping they would leave me, you know, my favorite, which is bourbon, because when I'm outside, I like to do the outside bourbon in the outside fridge. Instead, they left me a bottle of water. So I understand. We are recording professionally, and I am semi-professional. But if you want the outside kitchen, with the sink, with the fridge, with the storage, or you just need something that has maybe just the LP Quick Connect like this one has. You want power jacks, you want whatever. We got something that's right for you. Just text FRESH to 46642 or drop us a comment down below FRESH. Now, if you're saying, Chris, that Forest River Solaire 317 BHSK, I got some questions about it, but I'm thinking this is the one for us. We love the large awning, the LED light strips, and starting at $38,995 or as low as $9.34 a day, ringing in at 7,100 pounds, 35 feet long, I could tow that with my 1500. How do I get it? Drop me a comment down below RV or text RV to 46642 or just give us a call, 877-297-8725. Now, we do have a lot of competitors going around. There's other shows taking place. Sure. You might be saying to yourself, Chris, you know, I don't want to come to the largest RV dealer that has the most options at the best prices. You know, I'm the type of person that wants to put an ejector seat on a helicopter. So I'm going to go to the competition. Get you another deal. Let me beat it. I will beat it, guaranteed, or I'll give you $1,000 in cash. Just text DEAL to 46642 or drop me a comment down below, DEAL. We got more of those beautiful bunkhouses for that whole RV family coming up with more on the Ultimate RV Show National Tour.